it's me, Allegra. Babes, I have been MIA for the longest time, but I'm I'm back. And you know what? I am so happy today because I do have a makeup subscription box unboxing video for you beauties. I am going to have a giveaway, and I figured do a little life update and let you guys know what's been going on. It's been so crazy. I don't even know where to begin. But anywho, let's just dive right into this video today. Let's just get back on the saddle. Is that how you say? Is that how the phrase? You know, you guys know what I'm trying to say. I have my Ipsy box here, so I figure we can unbox it. And like I said, I do want to have a giveaway today. So today's giveaway is for a $50 Sephora or Ulta gift card. So all you have to do to be entered into today's giveaway is be a subscriber to my channel and also comment #GlamFam down below, so I know that you'd like to be entered to win today's giveaway. So I will be back with tons more giveaways. I have so much stuff for you beauties, so many amazing eyeshadow palettes, makeup goodies, so be on the lookout for that. But for today, we're going to have that gift card giveaway. And I also did have a gift card giveaway about, I think it was about a week or two. It might have been 2 weeks, but so much has been going on. So that winner was, or is, Cindy. So congratulations, Cindy. I will message you on Instagram so you see that you won if you don't see today, but you are our last gift card giveaway. So today's giveaway, fresh and new beginning, new start. Let's get into it, guys, and let's see what we got today. So yeah, guys, so much has been going on. Let me just unbox. Let me try to do one thing at a time. Okay, here is all the goodies for today for us to unbox. And so yes, guys, so some of you might have seen I did a little reel or shorts or something like that, and I showed you guys. First of all, it all started, we had to go to LA, so we went to Los Angeles, and okay, here is the little bag, beautiful iridescent. Love that. I love this color, this kind of iridescent holographic. And so right as soon as we got there, my husband fell. Roxy ran away, so he was chasing after her, and he wound up falling while he was trying to get her back, and he fell and he actually got a torn meniscus. He also they thought he was going to need stitches on the bottom of his foot. It was so horrible. We were in the hospital. First we were urgent care, and they were like, we can't help you. Then we went into the ER, which was crazy. I mean, God bless all the workers, the nurses, doctors, workers in the ER. It was just so, oh my God, so much, so many sad things going on, you know. But look at this, beauties. First thing here, I got this Seraphine Fruit Butter Lip Mask. I can't wait to use that. Love lip mask. My lips have been so dry and chapped. So thankfully, when my husband fell, Roxy came back. So that was actually what stopped her from running into the street, where God knows it could have been a million times worse. But oh, and then they were telling my husband that he might need surgery. But thankfully, we don't think he's going to need surgery because he's bending his leg back. He's able to walk without crutches. He was on crutches for all this time. But anywho, and he was trying to set up and run his event, which he does once a year. We work on it all year, and then it's, you know, the big, you know, the big event finally comes, and he was on crutches, and then he got bronchitis, you guys. So at the same time, he got some kind of bronchitis, flu. We took the COVID test, but it wasn't the COVID, but he, guys, I also got, it was some kind of flu or something. It was horrible. It was just horrible. So I've been actually in bed. It's just horrible. So anyway, beauties, things are better now, thank God. So we're back home and everything. Oh, thank God we're back home. So, but now something else happened. I'll tell you in a second. But here is this Some Institute Transport Exfoliate Without Abrasion. This is a treatment pad. So nice. Love it to exfoliate. And then here is the card from Ipsy. You got this September. So this is the September box. And yeah, it was crazy, guys. So this is the Ipsy, #Ipsy. You got this. If you guys want to take part, this way they see your post. Do a post and tag them what you love in your Ipsy box and use that hashtag, and then they'll see it. And then, you know, all kinds of good things happen. So anyway, beauties, here is a beautiful looking makeup sponge called the Quick Beat. Show Us Your Beat Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. And so this is, pick your favorite song. Oh, okay. So you get into a song and then you do with along to the music, beat your face with this sponge. So first you wash it, squeeze it, and then repeat. So pretty. I gotta try that. Let me see. Does it have it does have a beveled edge. Love that. So anyway, beauties, now the other day, now Louis has started crying, and Louis is my Chihuahua. Roxy is the Weimaraner, so she's a big dog, but Louis is a little dog. One time in his life, he was paralyzed. Some of you might have seen. Thankfully, he's walking again. But all of a sudden, he started crying, and we didn't know what was wrong with him because at the same time he was also still able to walk, and so we thought maybe he had a tooth. We thought maybe his tooth was hurting. So we finally got him to the doctor today, and they said no, he has hurt he pulled a muscle in his neck, and he hurt his neck. So they said he cannot walk, he cannot move. We have to leave him in his bed. He can't leave his bed. I mean, it's just horrible, guys, because he loves to play. He loves to have fun. He's a very active dog. So he's confined to his bed for, I don't even know how long, maybe like 2 weeks. They gave us sleeping pills for him. So that's more, I hate to say drama, but it's just so much at one time. Oh my gosh. But anyway, beauties, here is the Ciate London Definer Liner. This looks really nice. This looks like something that you can use to, oh, it's, let me see here. Is it shimmer? Oh, it's shimmery. If it wasn't shimmer, then you could definitely use it to kind of highlight. But let me see, what did they say that this is for? Definer liner. I don't know, guys, because it's like a gold shimmer shade. So have you guys gotten this in your Ipsy box? What are you using it for? Oh my gosh, guys, Youth to the People, my favorite. This is one of my favorite skincare brands. This is the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. So I can't wait to use that because I love Youth to the People. Their cleanser is my favorite. That's like a treat. I'll treat myself to that. I want to try this though because I wish I could see, guys, because I don't see any writing on here about what it's for. So, I mean, of course, it's like it's a gold liner, so you could use it. I guess it's a liner. I guess it's a gold liner. So if you just want to do gold liner instead of, traditional black. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh yeah, that's really pretty for, especially like for holiday parties. You could just do, a little kind of flick of the shimmer. Yeah, that's really pretty. Let's see how it looks up here. Can you use it up on your brow bone? Oh yeah, it gives a nice sparkle, it's sparkly. So it's not actually shimmery too much. It does have sparkles and it's a little bit more glittery and sparkly. Oh, can you guys see that? Let me know. I gotta use a different camera because this camera, I can't figure out how to turn down the settings. It has a built-in filter and I can't figure out how to turn it off or turn it down. Do you guys see it? It's like too much for me. I don't know about that actually as a brow bone. I don't know. It's all right. I don't know. What do you guys think? But maybe as an eyeliner, it's very pretty and festive. So let me put this aside. And guys, can you believe somebody is outside my door right now doing fireworks? It's flipping October and it's like 7 o'clock at night. Who is doing fireworks 7 o'clock at night in October? There's something weird going on. Okay, let me just leave it at that. There's something weird going on. I'm talking about like in my life, if you guys know what I'm trying to say. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Ofra Signature Symphony eyeshadow palette, I think. Is this a eyeshadow palette? I haven't had an Ofra makeup in so long. I think this is eyeshadow. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't think I've ever tried Ofra eyeshadow. Wow, and those are beautiful colors for the fall. The packaging feels so nice. It has just like a beautiful, it just feels nice and silky in your hand. So I'm so excited to use this. I'll definitely be putting together a look with these beautiful, they're like Merlot berry shades, perfect for fall. So definitely will be using this. I'll be back and do a look with that. And then here is the Arceli Mascara. It's infused with avocado oil. That sounds really nice. Another one, beautiful packaging. It has like a butterfly, a tribal butterfly on it. So then here is Sophia and Mabel I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer. So that sounds really nice. I can't wait to try that. I got so into primers lately. One time I had a lot of primers. I said, I just said to myself, let's put them all on at once and see what happens. So I put on like 3 primers. Naturally, my skin looked really good. So if you just happen to have random ones that you don't really like, but when you mix them with other ones, or layer them, I should say, I actually layered them on top of other ones. The effect was beautiful. So anyway, this is the Glow Recipe Recovery Serum Avocado. I do have this Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. Love this because my skin was getting very dry. In LA, you know, they have hard water where we were at, so you guys, I myself have been so sick. I could not get out of bed. It's been such a struggle to be here even now. So I was like, finally got out of bed, and people are sending off fireworks. Let's keep it together. Let's, you know, thank God for Ipsy. Because Ipsy, I was like, I was so inspired. Let's put that. I just love my Ipsy box. So it got me out of bed. Because I love it. So I couldn't wait to see what was inside. Now, here's a little pouch. Beautiful. Oh, it says you got this. I really needed to hear that now, too. Because I've been so, you know, between my husband, being worried about my husband, then being worried about a show, then being worried that we were feeling under the weather. Oh my gosh, it's never ending. So, oh, here's a beautiful brush set. This is from YC Collection. It's black and pink. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me put these right over here. And I think that's pretty much it, beauties. So, hopefully this video doesn't turn into a hot mess. Hopefully you guys don't mind my little life update and unboxing. I have tons more to unbox, so we'll be back. I'll be back as soon as I can to unbox some more. But what are your guys' favorites from your Ipsy box? Did you get any of these items yourself? I know this, it looks like amazing. The Ofra eyeshadow palette. This is like the signature palette in Symphony. So cannot wait to play with that. And everything else just looks amazing. So this lip butter, can't wait to use that. Always can use a great sponge, so cannot wait. It's very soft and love that beveled edge. So cannot wait to play with this as well. So what are your guys' favorites from your Ipsy box this month? Don't forget, you got this. That's the theme. So use hashtag Ipsy you got this to be, you know, so they can see what your pictures you take and things like that, and then they can share your stuff too. So beauties, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also use hashtag GlamFam down below in the comments, so that this way I know that you want to be entered into today's giveaway for a $50 Sephora Ulta gift card. So that's pretty much it, beauties. I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye. Love you.